How's everybody doing today? How you doing? My name is Raymond Briggs. Back just continuing some different videos on my online marketing experience. Today's video is going to be on online payment processors. Okay, now I know several people that I have a chance to work with have been asking me about how do payment processors work? What are they? How do I use them? So what I want to do is I want to shoot a quick little video here talking about a payment processor that I personally use and have been able to navigate pretty easily, which is Solid Trust Pay, as you can see here. So this is Solid Trust Pay. I'm actually signed into my account here, and the screen I'm on right now is the verification process. Now, Solid Trust Pay is an online payment processor. Many of you may be familiar with PayPal, which is a more common payment processor here in the United States. And all payment processors are they're called e-wallets, electronic wallets, a way of doing transactions online. So PayPal is basically designed for you to be able to do transactions online here in the United States without having to use your credit card or your banking information every single time you want to do a transaction online. Now, as we know, the internet is a global giant, and being able to tap into other markets outside the United States internationally, PayPal is just limited to the United States. So Solid Trust Pay, Payza, Liberty Pay, Perfect Money. Those are a couple other online payment processors out there that are international that you can use. And but me personally, what I use is Solid Trust Pay. So this video is about Solid Trust Pay. So here I'm inside my office here. I'm just here on the screen here, and I just wanted to kind of capture this screen here and kind of explain some things, because setting up a Solid Trust Pay account is free. Doesn't cost you anything to set up with. You can start doing transactions immediately. Now, what we have here, once you set up your free account, is a verification process that you'll have to go through. Okay. Now the verification opens up additional things that you're able to do. So I'm just going to kind of go through some of those different verification processes. Okay, now Solid Trust Pay is a legit payment processor. I know some of you may not have heard of it before, so you may be a little skeptical about putting certain information out there. But I can attest from my personal experience and relationships I have with many other people who use Solid Trust Pay for their international payment processor that they haven't had any problems. Okay, so what we have here, you set up your free account. Okay. When you first set up, your account will show up as being active. Okay, there's no paperwork required to have an active account, and everything works off of a 24-hour window. Okay, as you can see, 24 hours, 24 hours. Transfer limits are $250. If you want to try to transfer, you can only do $250 per 24 hours. Funding this account, bank option, you can put up to $999. You can fund that amount in this account per 24 hours. $150 if you're paying via credit card or debit card, $250 you're paying through e-check, or $999 if you're funding your Solid Trust Pay account through a money order. Okay, your withdrawal limits on an active account is $500 per 24 hours. So on Monday you can do any of these transactions. On Tuesday you can withdraw another 500, Wednesday another 500. So it's per every 24 hours. Okay. Card verified. In order to get card verified, what happens is this Solid Trust Pay there'll be a form that you'll get, and you have to complete the form. In addition to the form, they will make 2 small deposits, anywhere from up to $2 into this account. It may be like $1.55 or $1.27, and you have to confirm those deposit amounts on the authorization form in order to become card verified. Now, becoming card verified, you see your limits go up where you're able to transfer $500. Okay, there is no e-currency exchange at this level. Funding your account is still at the $999. Credit card or debit card funding is $150. E-check $250. Money order $999. Withdrawal limits: you can withdraw to your credit card to 500, your debit card, $500, or you can withdraw by check the $500 per 24-hour period. Okay, the standard level, as you can see, you will have to scan, or you can take a picture and email a copy of your ID and save it to your computer and then you'll be able to upload your ID to become ID verified. You will also have to do the same thing with some kind of bill or some kind of documentation, some kind of piece of mail that you get to verify your address. You submit that as well. You fax that into the company to become address verified. And as you can see, your limits jump up to where you can transfer up to $9,999. Your bank options, you can fund up to $10,000, $500 on your credit card. You can get a Solid Trust Pay debit card, which is a product that Solid Trust Pay offers, and you can fund up to $2,000 on that. $999 through e-check, $10,000 in a money order into your Solid Trust Pay account. Withdrawal limits jumps up to $999 on your credit card or debit card, $1,000 requested by check, or up to $2,000 on your Solid Trust Pay debit card. The last level of verification, your ID will already be done if you've already got to this level. Address verified, bank verified. I do not have that complete at this time. I'll be working on getting that done here shortly. So that'll be done here within the next 24 to 48 hours. Your transfer limit is $9,999. And once you become bank verified, you pretty much unlock everything to where up to $10,000 in bank options, $10,000 in transfers, $500 in credit cards, $2,000 in Solid Trust Pay debit cards, $999 in e-checks, $10,000 in money orders or DAW. You have all these options for funding your Solid Trust Pay account, and you get a couple more perks on your limits for your withdrawal limits. Okay, your withdrawal limits is $10,000 every 24 hours, so you can pull out $10,000 a day. You can transfer $10,000 a day. You can withdraw $999 on your credit card or debit card, up to $1,000 on check, or up to $2,000 on your Solid Trust Pay debit card. Okay, Solid Trust Pay does go through a lot of verification process just to make sure that, you know, to cut down on the amount of attacks or hacking that may go on with your account. And they really, I mean, their verification process is just really for your own security, to make sure nobody has access to your account but you. You know, so they really confirm a lot of things. They're very, very secure, very, very legit, and awesome, easy to navigate tool. Solid Trust Pay works with many companies that do business internationally on the internet. So that's kind of the process for, you know, setting up a Solid Trust Pay account, going through the verification process, and you know, how to fund, how to transfer, how to do withdrawals, and what paperwork is needed to do that. So I hope that this has been of some value to you, that you're able to use this. Solid Trust Pay, like I said, is an awesome tool. I'll put a link here at the bottom of this video. If you're looking at it here on YouTube, there'll be a link down at the bottom of it. If you're coming across this video via another website, feel free to contact me. I'll share, I'll share any information with you on how I'm using it. But it's definitely a great resource to have for your online marketing. So again, thanks for tuning in to my channel. My name is Raymond Briggs, Coach Raymond Briggs. I'm a basketball coach for those that don't know. So most of my videos I'll be in t-shirts or some kind of basketball apparel. Again, thanks for tuning in. Take care, and God bless.